Thank you so much for being with me this week for our music class at home. Hopefully you had fun with some of our animal songs this week. I know I did. And hopefully you have a wonderful rest of your week or weekend if you're watching this during the weekend and participating. And time to sing goodbye. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say goodbye. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say goodbye. Goodbye to you, my friend, I sure miss you. I hope you had fun today, and I'll see you soon. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say goodbye. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say goodbye. Goodbye. It was so much fun to sing with you, and I'll see you again soon.